Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be cleaning the laundry room, which I don't think I've ever shown you before. And get ready because it needs a good scrubbing. This is also super real life because there's laundry that's folded back there that I need to go put in its home. If you are new to this channel, awesome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure you hit that like button if you liked it and subscribe if you are new. And without further ado, let's put our hair up and get to cleaning. All right, you guys, I know that I am not the only one that cannot stand to clean with their hair down. I don't know why, but I cannot do it. I just can't. So that is Chasse. If you are new, she's my cat. She's amazing. That is her little water drinking fountain. That's the only thing she will drink out of is if it's running water. So it was on Amazon. I think it was only like 25 bucks. So it's totally worth it versus always making sure the faucet was barely dripping. That was always a pain. And then here is our laundry room. I have not cleaned anything. I just took everything out and it needs some help. It's her cat food that she spilled. She will not eat cat food if it is on the ground. If it's outside of her bowl, she will not eat it. She's super picky, but I love her. It's okay. So what I'm going to do first is just go ahead and dust everything, and then the areas that are still actually dirty and not just, oh, there's dust on it, I'm going to actually like wet clean with a cleaning solution. Again, this is one of those times where I want to show you the before of our laundry room. You guys, it was so scary. This is nothing compared to what it was. I would not even step foot in the laundry room. I would never get down on the floor. How it was whenever we purchased the house. So this little area, it's just put up with a tension rod, and it had our pop cans and the litter box, but the litter box is being moved to a new location.
So again, just dusting in here really quickly and then sweeping out all of just stuff that was falling. It's actually not litter, but I think it's just from the cans and everything. The litter that we use, I have to like order it. I can't remember the brand off the top of my head, but it's amazing. It's if you have a cat, you guys just look in the links in the description because you don't smell anything and it's awesome. So highly recommend that cat litter. I will never use another litter in my life, and it gets sent to you. No, if you buy it off the link, I don't get paid anything, but that would be awesome if I did, because, or at least a credit, because I buy that litter all the time. All right, and now is when I'm gonna go and take my multi-surface spray. I think this is the Mrs. Meyer's, obviously. And spray everything down, let it sit there for a little bit, and then scrub away. So my husband built this stand for our washer and dryer. I love it. It's just a little bit off the ground. I think it's probably about 5 or 6 inches off the ground. And then he also built the top. So nothing was here. It was just a blank canvas pretty much. So I'm super happy that he did that. I think it makes it look a little cleaner, you know, when it's clean. We are to cleaning the floor. I needed a good tile cleaner, so going ahead, spraying this down, and again, I'm gonna let it sit there for probably about 10 minutes while I go and assemble something that I purchased online. I'm super excited. This is the thing. It's the clean tile and showers, because that is my least favorite chore. I hate cleaning showers, and it's literally like, I don't know, like an oversized electronic toothbrush that you would get to use in the nooks and crannies of tile. It's awesome.
I belong belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else.
I had way too much fun with this. Yeah, this actually makes cleaning your tile fun.
Take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul.
For some final touches, I just wanted to wipe down, like pretty wipe down, to give it a nice little shine for the countertop because I already, scrubbed it, but I wanted to do like a nice little clean finish on it. And here is the final product. It looks so much better. I am so happy. There are still some areas that we need to actually go back and touch up with paint and finish the detail portion, but it is so much cleaner in here. I am so happy with this little before and after of scrubbing away.
Alright you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some inspiration. I know I did, and now I'm gonna start another process with this room. Stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys give this video a like if you liked it, subscribe. Make sure you guys give this video a like if you liked it, subscribe if you are new, and I will see you guys next week with a new video. Bye!